Hello, welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here I have a 2002 R50 Nissan Pathfinder TI. It's the 3.3 V6 petrol automatic, four-wheel drive of course. Bit of a whack in the front there. Two little dings here and there. So we've got a set of wheels on it with some reasonably good tyres. Tailgate looks good. There's a tow bar. Tail lights. Couple of doors there. Once again, little parking dings here and there. Got some side steps. It's got the black leather trim. I'll look in the back here for you. Fairly tidy there. Airbags haven't gone off. I'll get the case for you in a second. I'll start up. Let's pop the bonnet. It's got a flat battery, so there we go. Creaking and groaning. Sounds like me in the morning. There, we've got a composite coat there. The VG33, and we're a 1202 vintage. I'll start her up for you. Oh, that seat's a bit warm there. Where are we? We've got 152,517 kilometres, not too bad. And we're up and running. Fairly tidy and original there. Now I've got a sunroof up there too. And it's got some roof racks. There you go. Alright, there you have it. One R50 Pathfinder TI for dismantling out in the Narellan Auto Parts Plus. You can give us a call on the number on the wall, 0246461733. If you need some Pathfinder parts or any other car parts for that matter, the Parts Plus team here will help you out. Alright, we'll move along. Thanks for watching and bye for now.